This is the ROGBID BRAVE 3 Android standalone smartwatch phone. Oh my goodness, whole new watch faces in this one, whole new design. Look at this, nano SIM on the side, camera here, camera there, buttons, all over the place. You got all these different controls here. You've seen these before, what you can control. You have your power level, your Bluetooth connection, your SIM card connection, the time, all of that's in here. You can change it from the full-on 4G mode to a low-powered system mode. You've got a cleanup for all of your apps in the background. Standard stuff. Down here, you got your step count information. You've got a music player. One more swipe and you got the weather overall in your area as well. When you swipe this way, you get notifications sent to you from your phone, and love it, when you swipe this way, here's your app drawer, all the different things, your phone, contacts, SMS, all of that related to the SIM card that you put in. No Bluetooth calling with this one, but it's a standalone phone. Your settings, you got heart rate, blood oxygen, last night's sleep time is all in here as well. And you get all of the charts. Yep, you got all of that stuff. Breath training. Here's some settings that you got. You got an overall basic browser, but of course with Google, you can install Chrome browser or any of the others. You've got camera that you can switch from forward facing to the side, gallery for all of your pictures, calendar, alarm clocks, music, recorder, film, your files. Over here you get your fitness information, all the different activities that you can take part in, and of course you got more stuff down here as well. You got optimization, so you can really make sure you're honing in and getting the best battery life, a specialized little app store, and of course watch faces that you can download from a special server that they have with faces designed specifically for the layout of this watch. Gmail on here, Google, face unlock capability on it, Google Fit. You can even install Maps Go if you want to. And these are some third-party apps I've put in here, like the fun little koi fish. All of this are standard stock Android stuff. Yep, it's a full-on Android watch running Android 9.1, 4 gigabytes of operating RAM, and about 64 gigabytes of storage. Available right now. It's called the Brave 3. Check it out.